Mm. Wow. Let's make the viral cucumber salad. Let's start! Gumamit tayo ng mandolin panghiwa dito sa cucumber. Mag-ingat dahil very sharp ang mandolin. Next, onion. Capers. Sour cream or cream cheese. Japanese mayo. At lalagyan natin ito ng homemade smoked salmon. Kung wala kayong smoked salmon, pwede rin namang tuna. Yung iba nilalagay canned tuna, ganyan. So, slice muna natin. Wow! Sarap! Lagyan natin siya ng gochujang, chili, and some MSG. Oh, stop. Takpan. And then shake. Oh, wow. Let's open. Wow. Look at that. Nakaka-addict ah.